Welcome, my dear students. How are you? Today we will talk about measuring tools. Measuring tools. But before we talk about the measuring tools, we must know the meaning of matter. Matter, anything around us called matter, like the chair, the desk, the door, and the bottle. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. But what is the meaning of mass? Mass means the amount of matter in an object. Mass, the amount of matter in an object. This definition means what? For example, the door made of what? Good. The door made of wood. So the amount of wood in the door, this called the mass of the door. The mass of the door. This means how much of wood this door take it to make. This is the meaning of mass. Okay, mass, the amount of matter in an object. Volume, matter that anything that has mass and volume. Mass, the amount of matter in an object. But volume, it's the space taken by the matter. Volume, it's the space taken by the matter. This means what? This means when you put your book on the table, the book will take place from the table. This place that the book takes it called volume of the book. So, volume, it's the space taken by the matter. It's the space taken by the matter. As we know, there are tools for measuring the mass. There are tools for measuring the mass. Like what? The tools that measure mass. Yes, excellent. Common balance and sensitive balance. Common balance and sensitive balance. Common balance also called two pans balance. Two pans balance. Common balance measures what? I can use common balance to measure what? Yes, excellent. I can use common balance to measure fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. And I can use sensitive balance to measure what? Yes, good. To measure jewelries like gold, silver. Okay? Mass, measuring tools, common balance, and sensitive balance. When you go to buy tomato or apple, you say to the seller, I need what from apple or tomatoes? Ah, yes, good. I need 1 kilogram of apple or 1 kilogram of tomatoes. So the mass has a units. So mass measuring units, kilogram. Kilogram, it's suitable to measure large masses. And gram, It is suitable to measure small masses. Small masses like what? Like jewelries. But kilogram, it is suitable to measure large masses. Large masses like what? Like fruits and vegetables. So I can use kilogram with common balance because common balance measures large masses like fruits and vegetables. And I can use gram with sensitive balance because sensitive balance measure tiny masses or small masses. Okay? And ton. Ton, it is suitable to measure very large masses, like the car. So, mass measuring units, gram, kilogram, and ton. After we know the mass measuring tools and mass measuring units, we will know the length measuring tools. Length measuring tools, ruler and graduated tape. Ruler and graduated tape. Ruler, I can use ruler to measure short lenses. I can use ruler for measuring short lenses. But I can use graduated tape for measure long lenses. Long lenses. Length measuring units. Length measuring units. Centimeter and meter and kilometer. Centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Centimeter, it is suitable to measure short lenses. Like what? Like the book, like the pencil, like the paper. But meter, I can use meter for measuring long lenses. Long lenses. Long lens like what? Like the dimensions of your class. The dimensions of your class. Kilometer, it's suitable to measure very long lengths. Very long lengths. Like what? Like the distance between Cairo and Alexandria. Like the distance between Cairo and Alexandria. So today we know the length measuring units and tools and the mass measuring units and tools. Thank you. Goodbye.